set from lighting the sound. You know I'm a one-man army, baby. Scene one, take one, and 3, 2, 1. Action! You got a business or you think you cute, or maybe you can rap. Wanna make a movie, slap that thing on Tubi. I'm with all of that. Wanna learn how to do it too, how to light a set, how to hold a boom, or how to shoot like cool. I got the sauce academy school. Turn up your brand with your main mans. I got that sauce to pack.
Trinc Studio.
Yeah, baby, but don't call me that. I'm Big Breeze, aka Cool, big in all caps. I ain't lying, soon as you seen them clips, you know who shot that. I make you look good, baby. I don't use it if it's wet, cause if it ain't cinematic, I might have a sauce to pack. Hey, I do this for a living, I ain't in all the cap. Crystal clear, colors popping, man, you know I'm speaking facts. Listen, help me help you turn your brand up. They see you on TV, I guarantee you turn your bands up. Listen, help me help you turn your brand up. Question is, who gon' shoot for you, and I'm the answer. Help me help you turn your brand up. Help me help you turn your brand up. Help me help you turn your brand up. They see you on TV, I guarantee you turn your bands up. Help me help you turn your brand up. Help me help you turn your brand up. Help me help you turn your brand up. They see you on TV, I guarantee you turn your bands up.
Okay, so no more running gun for the humbug, but we all know I'm worth way more than the humbug. So I'll try to meet you halfway with the 250. 1 hour shoot, 1 location, 1 song per day, per shoot. You getting 3 to 5 performance scenes, some fire ass B-roll, some light effects, and you know I'm gonna hit you with that saucy pack. Have your concept ready, be original, be creative, and help me help you turn your brand up. Also, if you're an artist or you know a lot of artists, or maybe you know a lot of business owners, I'm looking for new street team associates. It's commission-based pay, but it's a cakewalk for you if you know a lot of people or a lot of people that own businesses. Sign up, pick up some flyers, mark them with your code, and don't just pass them out. That's how they get through out. Talk to them, make the connections, make sure they're interested first, then give them a flyer. If they call and book a shoot with your code, you get paid. Or you get a run and gun shoot with 90 days to use it. Your choice. And last but not least, oh, wait, hold on. I might be tripping. I like this. Yep, that's what it said. Okay, so I'm doing a Bogo on standard, gold, and platinum video packages. And since I think it might be a typo, I might only run it for 90 days. So you know what to do. Tap in ASAP and help me help you turn your brand up. Also, I'm giving away videography credit for desirable electronics like MacBooks, flat screen TVs, cameras, PS5s, and Dre Beats, you know, stuff like that. Stuff that I gotta want it. You know what I'm saying? I gotta like it. If it's worth $250, I give you an hour. If it's worth $500, I give you 2 hours. If it's worth $750, I give you 3 hours. And so on. It's real simple. I got the best prices for industry standard cinematography in Metro Detroit. Help me help you turn your brand up.
Trinc Studios.